Hello, my name is Leah Wild, and this is my visual representation of the 5 top strengths I was given after taking the self-assessment we did in class. My top 5 being displayed on the screen as love, prudence, honesty, fairness, and humility. Love being in the humanity category, prudence and temperance, and honesty and courage. Um, Love's positive correlations are positive relationships, healthy balance and dependency, and autonomy. And then positive social functionings. Prudence being sociability, interpersonal warmth, and being cooperative. And honesty going into good mood, life satisfaction, and openness to new experiences. For my other 2, fairness being logical, compassionate, and empathy, and humility being humble, we don't brag, and letting one's accomplishments speak for themselves. After receiving these results, I was not surprised to know that love, prudence, and honesty were in my top 3. I have previously taken an assessment that was similar to this one, and I had gotten the same results. I also see a lot of those positive correlates that were listed in my day-to-day life. I try to be open, loving, honest, and accepting towards everyone that I come across. The ones I have noticed the most would be love. A lot love is shown in many ways in your relationships by acceptance, forgiveness, being compassionate, and working at an animal hospital. You never know what's coming in or what's going out, so it's always good to have those characteristics when dealing with clients and patients. Another way that one of these could help me in the future or in the workplace would be the prudence quality. I think that one would really be put to use in my new job to where I work a lot with guests and a guest experience. So being sociable, understanding, and cooperative are very good traits to have.